Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen him around. You've seen him on YouTube. You've seen him on Twitter. You know his face. You know his style. And you've seen all of his videos. Give a nice, warm welcome to Michael Bodner.
Wow, Raj, thank you so much for that intro. That was totally unplanned, but more of that to come. Hey everyone, I'm Michael Bodner here, and this is your 100th Tesla Tunity video. I've got something special planned for you, and I've brought along some of my friends, so check them out. Alright, so you're probably wondering why the Tesla bunch is here. Well, they're going to help me with some Tesla trivia. And the grand prize is from today's video sponsor, Jeda Products. It's a Jeda bundle. You've got the Jeda wireless charger for the Model 3, as well as the Jeda USB hub for the Model 3 with, of course, secret compartment for your Sentry Mode camera. And I've got the Roadie if you saw the recent video. So, how do you win this stuff? Let's find out. You're going to play some Tesla trivia, and my 8 Tesla friends are going to read the questions to you. So go ahead and take a look. I promise you want to stay to the end of the video. That will help you get more chances to win this bundle. And let me give you a couple ground rules before we kick it off with our first question. The contest starts now. It is going to run through the end of March, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on March 31st. Entries will stop at that point. I'll select a winner on April 1st, and we'll announce it in our April 9th video, so stick around for that, and good luck, everyone. So a couple other pieces to this. 1 entry per person. You've got to subscribe to my channel and comment on this video so I know you're in, and then the rest of the details will be in the description down below. So without further ado, here's Tesla Joy with question number 1.
Hi, I'm Joy from Tesla Joy YouTube channel. Here's a pretty easy trivia question for you. Who is the chief designer of the Tesla Model S, Model X, Model 3, Model Y, the semi-truck, the second-gen Roadster, and the Cybertruck?
What's going on, everybody? My name is Mother Frunker. Check me out on Twitter, mfrunker, or on YouTube, Mother Frunker. What was step 1 of Tesla's secret master plan, and what purpose did it serve?
Hey everyone, I'm Alex Venz. EVs are my thing, but I also enjoy long walks on the beach, listening to orchestral arrangements of Uematsu classics oh, wrong show? Anyway, you can find me at youtube.com/AlexVenz or on Twitter @PTPetra. When did Tesla start taking reservations for the Model 3 in the United States, and when were the first 30 delivered?
I'm Matthew from Living Tesla, where we make videos and snap plates. So what was Project Love Day, and who won?
Hi, I'm Trevor, Tesla Owners Online. Don't forget the forum, TeslaOwnersOnline.com, and our YouTube channel, Tesla Owners Online. Elon Musk has called the Model X a work of art that he likens to what?
Hey everyone, Raj here from Tesla Raj, your Tesla product knowledge expert. You can find me on YouTube, youtube.com/TeslaRaj, or on Twitter, Tesla_Raj. What is the final step to Tesla's master plan, part 2?
Hey, what is going on? Chris here from the YouTube channel Dirty Tesla. So for my question, who currently holds the EV cannonball run record?
Hi, my name is Rafael Santoni, and I am Tesladino on YouTube and on Twitter. Here's my question to you. Do you know how many lithium-ion cells are there in a long-range Model 3?
All right, well, remember when I said you'd want to stick around to the end of the video to have the best chance at winning? Here's your bonus question. It's worth 2 entries, and hint, hint, I'm going to give you the answer. So this one's not about Tesla, it's about Tesla Tunity. How many videos has my wife appeared in on the channel from the first 99 videos? The answer is 7. So if you skipped ahead and you just went ahead to the form and filled in your answers, that might be a pretty tough one. Even if you've seen all my videos, just remember the answer is 7, and that's 2 bonus entries for each of you. Alright, so that's it for Tesla Trivia, my 100th video. Thank you so much to Jeda Products for sponsoring this video, and my Tesla friends for joining me with the questions. I couldn't have done it without you. Good luck, everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.